Welcome to Humanities 260 CRN 11425. This is for the fall semester of 2018. I'm Lynn Stahl, your instructor. Humanities 260 is Intercultural Perspective on Humanities. We will be studying the history and creative work of Native Americans, African Americans, Hispanic Americans, and Asian Americans. This is an OER course. That means Open Educational Resources. That means you do not have to buy any books for this class. All assigned readings and other activities are provided within the course. You will have to use the library for final project research, and you will have to go somewhere for your individual field trip. Let's take a look at how to get around our D2L Brightspace site for this course. First, on the home page, look for announcements. And I have an announcement here welcoming you to the class. So you should always check for announcements. Whenever I have news to report, I will post an announcement. So you want to probably check every day or every other day. Second, let's look at what we call the nav bar. This is a list of different things. Nav bar stands for navigation bar. We're going to start with content. And so when we click on content, this is where all the explanations and assignments for each module of the course are given. We can start with syllabus, general course resources, helpful hints and course resources, are various handouts that better explain the concepts in the course. My suggestion is that you print out the syllabus and particularly the schedule of work, which is at the end of the syllabus, gives you the dates for all of the assignments in this class, so you'll want to keep that handy. Also, the syllabus explains the grading policy, how many points are assigned to each activity in the course. And there is no extra credit, so do your work as it comes due. If you stop doing the work in the course, but you don't withdraw yourself from the class by the student withdrawal deadline, you're going to receive an F in the course, not a W. There's a lot of important information up here about what the course is about and what the learning outcomes are and how this fits in with program learning outcomes and general education learning outcomes for transfer to the universities. So now if we go back up to content, we'll see that we have the different units, modules for each unit: Native American, African American, Hispanic American, and Asian American. And under each of these, you will see specific assignments for each unit. The reading assignment here for Native American history tells you exactly what to read. And if you click on this link, you get the book. And then after that, you'll see the assignment for discussion 1. The course is heavily based on discussions, which we'll see in a minute how those work. But for each section of the course, you're going to be asked to free write at least 300 words on that topic and the assignment for that topic. and then you're going to respond to at least 2 posts by other students. And each response needs to be at least 100 words long. And this suggests that you don't wait till the last minute to write your discussion posts. They're open until 11:55 on whatever day they're due. But if you wait that long, number one, other students won't have a chance to respond to what you've written, and you may not have enough time to respond to the other students. And you will lose points if you don't respond to two other students. So that's what you're going to have with the modules. And then at the end of each unit, you will have to write an essay of at least 500 words on the topic that we've just been studying. So that's located also under the modules. Also, under the modules, we have the individual field trip assignment, which is that at some point during the semester, you must attend some outside activity that is related to coursework. And I will post some samples of places that you could go. And I will also post some one-time opportunities that come up. So pay attention to that. And if you find something else that you'd like to do that fits this description, you certainly can do that. And then also we have a module for the final project. And the final project assignment is here, the directions. You can do either an essay or a PowerPoint. So if you are doing a PowerPoint, there's a handout here about adapting MLA format for the PowerPoint presentation. You must do a proposal. This is where you will submit it. That's going to be due about a month before the final project is due. You must submit a proposal. If you don't submit the proposal, I will not accept any final project that you might submit. And then you will be doing peer review of the drafts of your final projects. And finally, you will be submitting your final project here. Now, also, if we go up to the nav bar, we will have assessments. And assessments include assignments to the unit essays and the final project proposal and the actual final project. And it has all of the due dates listed here as well as that they are on the syllabus. And then in addition to that, in the nav bar under assessments, we have the discussion section, which includes all of the discussions that you need to do. So these are all here, and these are all of the graded activities in the class. The one other thing that we have under assessments, there is one quiz, which is an introductory quiz that you will take. Right now it says always available, but that's going to be changed. And actually, it needs to be done between August 22nd and August 24th. Now, also we have under course resources, various things that are here, and under course admin, there is a course calendar. I'm going to try and get that put on the home page to make it easier. But to go to the date, so after class has started on the 22nd. You see on August 24th at 11:55, the introduction discussion will be locked, meaning you will not be able to post anything to that after that time. If you have any technical issues in this course, please come to help. and go to PCC Brightspace Student Support, where you will, and they didn't make the link correct for that, but we also have that on the homepage, fortunately, because this is extremely helpful. Right now, it's all the way down here. Technical support for students, 24 hours, 520-206-4800. So that will definitely help you if you have any problems. Please feel free to contact me with any course-related issues. I'm sorry I can't help with why your computer doesn't work or something in D2L that's technical. It doesn't work, but if you have a question about what assignment are you supposed to read or something like that, I will be happy to talk to you about that. So just email me. Welcome to the course, and I hope we're going to have a very enjoyable